Want to restore your iPhone from a backup using your PC, whether it's a Windows or a Mac? Here's how you do it in just a minute. If you want to restore your iPhone's backup from a Mac, then simply plug in your iPhone to a Mac device, open Finder, tap on your iPhone from the left panel, now scroll down, and select Restore Backup. And if you have a Windows PC, then first you'll need to install the Apple Devices application. Then plug in your iPhone to your Windows PC, tap on Trust, and your iPhone will appear on the app. Now you just need to scroll down and click Restore Backup. But before this, you'll need to disable Find My on your iPhone. So let's disable Find My by opening Settings, and then tap on Restore Backup. Choose your backup by clicking on the drop-down menu if you have multiple. Then tap on Restore, and you'll get a pop-up saying everything will be erased on your iPhone. So make sure you don't have anything important, then click Erase and Restore. Now your phone will start erasing right away, and after it's erased, it will say Restoring from Backup. So now you'll need to be patient and wait until all your data is loaded on your iPhone. And after it's finished, you'll see all your old data like photos, contacts, call history, and even the home screen layout will be restored from the backup. So you'll have your same old iPhone. And that's all there is to it. If you found this useful, and I'll see you around.